Cute little Ava walking down to the water. It's people's homes, man. It's coming up, boy. I'm gonna go back here and kind of look at the damage. We're gonna see how high it's risen, because a bunch of us were right in between these homes, standing right here earlier. And though yes, it has risen, I don't know if you guys can hear the water flowing back there. That's the river just gushing and rushing and breaking trees and stuff. This is Scott Frey's house and Scott Van Zin's house. Yards are completely submerged. And the neighborhood is parked up here. They've got their cars all pulled out on the streets and have a little tent set up with grills, and we're cooking hamburgers. That's one good thing about it. It smells stinking awesome. One thing you got to understand is these are not just flat yards in the back. These are yards that are huge hills with double decks that are completely under the water. I think if you look here, it's just hard to see, but for instance, this home right here, this is Denise and Daryl's. They have two retaining walls that they've built out of really nice stone. One is 16 feet high and one is 4 foot above that one. 20 foot. They're completely submerged underwater. That's how deep. Oh, and then some, because then below there it even goes deeper and deeper. So this is a 30, 40, I don't know, 50 foot rise here. Unbelievable. Patrick and Celia's fence completely submerged, and that fence right there goes way straight down. Well, you can see the angle that it goes down, and it goes way back to behind those trees. So it's pretty amazing.